Hello students, welcome to our channel Kalmari Juniors. We are back again with 7th part of halogen derivative series. In this video, we are going to discuss method of preparation of haloarenes and reaction of haloarenes. So let's begin. First, we will discuss method of preparation of haloarenes. There are two ways through which we can prepare haloarenes, that is by direct halogenation of benzene, which comes under electrophilic substitution reaction, and second by Sandmeyer's reaction. Sandmeyer's reaction we are going to learn in detail in 13th chapter. For now, let's confine our discussion to preparation of haloarenes by halogenation of benzene. Chlorobenzene are prepared by direct chlorination of benzene in the presence of Lewis acid AlCl3 as a catalyst. Similarly, bromobenzene can be prepared by direct bromination of benzene in the presence of Lewis acid FeBr3. Students, here Lewis acid such as AlCl3 or FeBr3 are usually called as halogen carriers because their function is to carry halogen to the aromatic hydrocarbon. Now coming to the preparation of iodobenzene, the direct iodination of benzene is not useful since Hi produced in the reaction act as a good reducing agent, which reduces the iodobenzene back to benzene and iodine. That is, the reaction is reversible in nature. Hence, we have to add some oxidizing agent such as HiO3, which can easily oxidize Hi produced during the reaction to iodine. Also, the direct fluorination of benzene is not possible as the reaction is too violent and cannot be controlled. Now, we will discuss the reaction of haloarenes. Basically, haloarene undergoes three types of reaction: nucleophilic substitution reaction, electrophilic substitution reaction, and reaction with sodium metal. So let us begin with nucleophilic substitution reaction of haloarenes. Aryl halides or haloarenes shows less reactivity towards nucleophilic substitution reaction as compared to haloalkane. This is so because of two reasons. First, resonance effect, and second, sp2 hybrid state of carbon. In haloarene such as chlorobenzene, the lone pair of electrons on the chlorine atom are delocalized on the benzene ring, as you can see in the first diagram. As a result, the CCl bond in chlorobenzene acquires some double bond character. Hence, CCl bond in chlorobenzene is little stronger as compared to CCl bond in chloroalkane. So, we can say that aryl halide are stabilized by resonance effect. On the other hand, the halogen in the haloarene is attached to sp2 hybridized carbon. This sp2 hybridized orbital is smaller in size as compared to sp3 hybrid orbital in alkyl halide. Therefore, CX bond in haloarene is shorter as compared to CX bond in alkyl halide. As we all know, bond strength is inversely proportional to bond length, so CX bond in haloarene is more stronger as compared to haloalkane. Still, haloarenes do undergo nucleophilic substitution reaction but under drastic condition. Now we will discuss some of the important nucleophilic substitution reaction of haloarene. First is replacement by hydroxyl group. So when chlorobenzene is heated with an aqueous solution of NaOH at 623 Kelvin temperature and 300 atmosphere pressure in the presence of dilute acid, it gives phenol. It is observed that the presence of electron withdrawing group such as NO2, Cn, etc. at ortho and para position with respect to halogen greatly activates the haloarenes towards nucleophilic substitution reaction. For example, when 2,4-dinitrochlorobenzene reacts with aqueous Na2CO3 in the presence of dilute acid at 403 Kelvin temperature, it gives 2,4-dinitrophenol. Here, chlorine is easily replaced by hydroxyl group. Further, greater the number of electron withdrawing group at ortho and para position, more reactive is the haloarine, because presence of electron withdrawing group at ortho and para position withdraws electron from the benzene ring, and hence attack of nucleophile becomes easy. For example, when 2,4,6-trinitrochlorobenzene simply warmed with H2O, it gives 2,4,6-trinitrophenol easily. It is important to note here that electron withdrawing group at meta position has no effect on reactivity. Now let us discuss electrophilic substitution reaction of haloarenes. As we know that halogen atoms are deactivating as well as ortho-para directing groups. Halogen atoms are deactivating group because of its tendency to withdraw electrons from the carbon atom of benzene. Hence, aryl halide shows less reactivity towards electrophilic substitution reaction as compared to benzene. Moreover, the resonating structure of chlorobenzene shows that electron density increases more at ortho and para position, hence it is ortho-para directing group. However, because of steric hindrance at ortho position, the para product usually formed as measure product. Haloarenes undergoes usual electrophilic substitution reaction such as halogenation, sulfonation, nitration and Friedel-Crafts reaction. In halogenation, haloarene reacts with halogen in presence of Lewis acid such as AlCl3. For example, when chlorobenzene reacts with chlorine in presence of anhydrous AlCl3, it gives para-dichlorobenzene as major product and ortho-dichlorobenzene as minor product. Nitration is carried out by heating haloarenes with concentrated HNO3 in presence of concentrated H2SO4. When chlorobenzene heated with concentrated HNO3 in presence of concentrated H2SO4, it gives 1-chloro-2-nitrobenzene as minor product and 1-chloro-4-nitrobenzene as major product. In sulfonation, the reaction is carried out by heating haloarenes with fuming H2SO4. For example, chlorobenzene heated with concentrated H2SO4 gives 2-chlorobenzene sulfonic acid as minor product, 4-chlorobenzene sulfonic acid as major product. Friedel-Crafts reaction are of two types, Friedel-Crafts alkylation and Friedel-Crafts acylation. Friedel-Crafts alkylation involves treatment of haloarenes with alkyl chloride in presence of anhydrous AlCl3 as catalyst. For example, chlorobenzene when reacts with methyl chloride in the presence of anhydrous AlCl3 gives 1-chloro-2-methylbenzene as minor product and 1-chloro-4-methylbenzene as major product. Whereas Friedel-Crafts acylation is carried out by treating haloarenes with acyl chloride in presence of anhydrous AlCl3. For example, chlorobenzene when reacts with acetyl chloride in presence of anhydrous AlCl3 gives 2-chloroacetophenone as minor product and 4-chloroacetophenone as major product. Now let us discuss reaction of haloarenes with metal. Wurtz-Fittig reaction involves reaction of aryl halides with alkyl halide and sodium metal in dry ether to give substituted aromatic compound and sodium halide. In Fittig reaction, only aryl halides takes part in the reaction with sodium metal in dry ether to give diphenyl and sodium halide as product. Thank you students for watching this video. I hope you have understood the method of preparation and reaction of haloarenes. I refer Maharashtra State Board Chemistry Textbook Standard 12. I thank all my teammates who have supported in making this video. Until then, stay tuned. See you in the next video.